Hey everyone, welcome back to Rice PTE. Tell me, have you been working hard but still not seeing the results you want on the PTE exam? Today, we are going to see how you can use 7 smart strategies to score 90 on the PTE. Before I begin, may I request you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Now, let's get started and dive into some smart work strategies that can help you ace the PTE. Number 1 is to set clear goals. So define what you want to achieve in each study session. Setting specific, measurable goals can keep you focused and motivated. Set daily goals. What are these goals like? Let me give you some examples. Complete 2 reading practice tests and review answers. Practice speaking for 30 minutes using sample prompts. In addition to the daily goals, you must set weekly goals. For example, finish 1 full mock test and analyze the results. Learn and use 50 new vocabulary words in sentences. Let's look at the tip number 2, which is to focus on your weak areas. Identify your weak areas and concentrate your efforts on improving them. It's a human tendency to spend more time on what we find easy. Don't do that. Time is precious. So, spend it on improving your work areas. Here's how to do it. First, you analyze practice tests. When you take a mock test, spend 30 minutes or an hour to analyze the practice test results. Then, if you find your score is low in listening, spend more time on listening exercises and dictation. If writing is a weak point, practice writing essays and get feedback. Next is to do targeted practice. If you find your score is always low in speaking, then work on pronunciation and fluency. If you have a poor vocabulary, then spend some time every day reading academic texts and going through the academic word list. Basically, the idea is spend time on practicing where it is needed. If you already score full marks and answer short questions, then don't spend any more time on them. All right? Now, we'll talk about the tip number 3, which is to use high-quality resources. So invest in good study materials and use reliable resources. Okay? Stay away from random YouTube videos. There are some good YouTube channels, but too much of the content is random and not as per Pearson guidelines. Practicing with these materials can actually bring your score down, so as you will get an inaccurate idea of your preparation level. There are a few good online PTE preparation options like Rice PTE. Check the description for more information. You don't need to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars on classroom courses, okay? So good targeted materials and quality practice tests is all you need. Now look at the tip number 4 is to practice under exam conditions, which means simulate real exam conditions to get used to the test environment. Take time practice tests to manage your time effectively during the exam. Work on pacing yourself to complete each section within the given time. Practice in a reasonably quiet place to mimic the test center conditions. Avoid distractions to focus better during practice sessions. Let's look at the next step, which is to learn exam strategies. So understand test format and specific strategies can give you an edge. One of the most important strategies is skimming and scanning. Use skimming and scanning techniques for the reading section to find answers quickly. Identify keywords in the questions and locate them in the passage. Similarly, learn good relevant strategies for other sections. Okay? Now let's look at the next step, which is to regularly review and reflect. So consistent review and reflection help reinforce what you have learned and identify areas for improvement. Don't just always be in a rush to watch more YouTube videos or do more practice questions. Make sure to spend enough time on review as well. Next is to review your notes. So review your notes regularly to keep information fresh in your mind. Keep updated your notes with new insights and corrections. Another area to focus on is to reflect on your progress at the end of each week to see what's working. Adjust your study plan based on your reflection to stay on the track. If you find now you are much better in speaking but need more preparation for reading, then change your study plan and devote more time to reading. Adjust as you go along. Okay? Let's look at the tip number 7 is stay healthy and balanced. This is very important. A healthy body and mind can greatly enhance your study efficiency and exam performance. Get proper nutrition and sleep. Eat a balanced diet to maintain energy levels. Ensure you get enough sleep to keep your mind sharp. And the last thing is, take regular breaks and exercise. Incorporate some physical activity into your routine to stay energized. Take a break now and then and go for a walk or do something to freshen up your mind. And there you have it. The key differences between hard work and smart work, and how you can use smart strategies to score 90 on the PTE. Remember, it's not just about the hours you put in, but how effectively you use them. Use these tips, stay focused, and you will see great results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below with any questions or topics you would like us to cover next. Thanks for watching and good luck with your PTE preparation. Bye-bye.